Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Chat Tech. I have the Samsung football. If you've ever ordered from a Samsung, it comes they all come like this. This is the way they package it. They got this nice cardboardish paper wrap here, and there's always a lot of it. So this is my pre-order. Wow, there's a lot of this. And this is the Watch 5 and the Buds 2 Pro. Now, I pre-ordered, actually this one goes with this one. So I picked these up for about $150, and I got this free charger. And for some reason, I don't have to send in my old headphones. Go figure, I don't know why. Something got screwed up with that. I'm not interested in the charger too much right now, so I'm going to set that aside. And these two came together. Paid about $150 for this, and I got the free duo charger, which was even better. Funny thing is, I think the Buds were a little bit less than the watch. So, charger aside, let me get this out of here. I'll be back in a second. All right, I'm back. I got the paper out of the way, and I have everything ready to unbox. So, let's start with the Buds. These are what I'm really interested in. I have to be honest, I'm probably going to end up sending the watch back if what I heard online is true. If it's not much better than my current watch right there, which I do love. So, I finally get to use my JRE knife. Yay! My life is now complete. I can stop doing this. All right, so in the box, we have another box, and we have the USB to USB-C cable. Now, I recently bought a speaker, and I could have sworn it came with a cable, and I ended up tearing the whole box apart. It did not. And then I have this, which is pretty secure on there, that paper. Let's just tear that off. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this feels nice. Hold on, let me bring out some comparisons here. These are the Buds Plus, the first Buds I had. And then, these are the ones that Raider Tech sent me, which I still use daily. These are great for work. And then, these are my Buds Pro. And you can see they're just, the case is just, it feels soft in my hand. And then, of course, you got the Buds 2. So let's open these up and take a look here. Oh, I'm liking these. I'm really liking these. Oh, I like the way they feel. Hold on. Let me pull something else. Yeah, this is definitely more slippery. I can get a grip on these. Which is good, because normally when I am mowing the lawn or doing some kind of activity where I need to readjust them in my ears, and I'm hoping these take care of that. Okay. They say they're smaller. Did I open the wrong one? I'm holding both of the same one. Hold on. Okay. There we go. I was like, wow, they're not much different. I'm just an idiot. Okay. So, oh yeah, smaller. Definitely smaller. Oh, these are going to be nice. I can't wait to play a song. Actually, let's do that. I'm going to stop this, pair these up. I'll be right back. All right. Now, I'm not in Pro Video because apparently when you do side-by-side on your phone and you're recording, you have two options. You have photo and you have video. No pro. Well, if I'm a little louder, I apologize. I'm going to hit play now on Seven Nation Army. I have my custom EQ loaded for this song that I love. Oh. Yeah, that's some good sound separation. I gotta turn this all the way up. That bass is definitely deeper. I can hear more of the bass drum too. And there goes the guitar. Incredibly clean. All right, I gotta stop it right there because it's pretty much the same song. The same chords over and over again after that. I love that song. That was incredible. I know I'm not an audiophile at all. From this set to where's the other set? Hiding there. To those pros. Even these are good. I still prefer the pros, and now I have pretty much the child of these two. Incredibly comfortable in my ear. I didn't even put in the large ear part yet, and they're sticking in my ear. They're so light. They're just so comfortable. All right, I guess I'm keeping these. The software install, literally like 30 seconds to download, install, get going. I did turn on 3D audio. I love 3D audio. I love when I'm watching a YouTube video and I turn my head and the sound stays like I'm not wearing headphones. Like I turn my head, all of a sudden all the sound's in my right ear. I don't know why I love that. It's I can't wait to see them fully develop that. All right, so these are a keep. I'm keeping these. I'm gonna put them back in here. And I am going to love those for a very long time. These will still be for lawn mowing. Huh. Don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I was supposed to send these back for $75 off, but by the time I got to the cart, it just told me I didn't need to send anything back. And I still got them. All right, on to the thing that I probably am going to send back. Get over there with your brothers. Okay. I'm going to stop for a second and go back to, what do I use? Oh yeah, Pro Video. I'll be right back. All right, back in Pro Video. I got my sound monitoring headphones on and I'm comfortable once again. So, this guy is supposed to replace this guy. Let's find out if that's going to happen. I have a feeling, nah. From what I read online, this is so iterative. Like, I'm not getting any really advantage, maybe an extra sensor or two. I don't know if that's worth it. And to be honest, I was sort of iffy about those headphones too. So maybe something different. If you love these knives and you know where they're from, tell me in the comments. All right. That's off. What's in here? Oh, this came with the band on. My last one did not. Interesting. And in here is the charger. Oh, this is... Oh, I wish I brought the charger downstairs now. This is much nicer than that plastic. This is... I'm pretty sure it's plastic, but it sort of has a metallic feel to it. I am not taking my knife and finding out. That's a different channel. That is not my channel. All right. So, oh yeah, this is definitely different. Huh. Or is it? All right, so we can see the band's different. Definitely not the Pro model. Wow, mine is... I know I should have grabbed the chamois and the glass cleaner. Yeah, I wear this almost 24/7. I just take it off to charge it. That's it. Every night before bed, I throw it on the charger. It's usually at about 50% unless I worked out pretty heavy, and then it's usually at like 20 to 30. That's the original. And this is the shiny new one. Ooh. Got to stop hitting my microphone holder here. Yeah, I don't know. I know it's very iterative. Iterative, whatever. Screen looks nice, but I don't see a difference. Like, there's a difference. It's a different color. Yeah, it's got sapphire. But I have to tell you, this watch, like I said, I don't take it off. I've done moldings around my house with it. I've gotten paint on it. I've smashed it around outside in the yard. It just, I don't know if it needs a harder screen. Even my old one, I had the 3 before this one. I never scratched it. I may have around the edges had like a little chipping, but welcome, Galaxy Watch 5. Language, English. Yeah, I know that. Oh. Accessibility. Get started in the app on your phone. All right, I'm going to take 2 seconds and do that. Let's see if we can pair 2 of these at the same time. If not, I'm going to have to set up my old watch again. I better back it up. This might be a few minutes. Talks amongst yourselves. And I'm back. That took longer than I expected, but there was a full data restore. So, yeah. What else are you going to do? You have to restore your data. So now I have the watch all set up. Seems to work fine. I just have one issue. I wear mine in my left hand, so my band's reversed. I don't know if you've ever switched the bands on these, but they're pretty easy to do. You just take the little lever, pull it over. This is going to make me a liar. This is going to make me a total liar. There we go. One off. And then you just pull this other one in. Wow, this really is harder to do from behind the camera. All right. Then you do this. Make sure the pin's lined up. Pop it in. One's on. Make sure I got it the right way. Got some dust on there. It's actually some of the easiest watch bands I've ever changed. Just got to make sure you catch that hole when it goes through. There we go. All right, so I'm a lefty when it comes to my watch. Oh, the band is pretty nice. This feels more rubbery, but then again, I've worn this a while. Maybe I just seasoned it, let's say. No notifications. Hey, it even brought over my steps for today so far. Not bad, but I don't notice really anything different. I wonder if I showed that on screen before. I might have to edit part of this video out. But, yeah, I I don't see a difference. So what am I going to get out of this? Better battery life? Do I really need it? Like, I have a routine set already where I'm fine. Like, I charge it right before bed. Lasts me an entire day. Not sure if I need it. The only thing is, it did come with this. And I noticed why it was restoring that these are the super fast ones. These aren't cheap. Well, at least the Samsung ones aren't cheap. So let me know. What do you think? Should I keep it or should I return it? Just because it came with the wireless charger duo, I'm sort of leaning towards keeping it, but there's no difference. There's no difference. The buds, very noticeable difference. 4 to the 5, I mean, even, I wonder if I could strap this around here. Yeah. I can't even tell that I upgraded. What's this? A little bit more graphite. Ooh, there's my one light. I don't know. I have the brightness all the way up on both of them. Really did a good job restoring. It didn't have the color of the watch face. That's the only thing I really had to change. Everything else came over. So at least that's easy. I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do. Keep them, send them back. These I'm keeping. These are mine. You can't look at those anymore. All right, everyone. I'm going to apologize if you hear trumpet playing in the background. My neighbor's kid apparently has picked up trumpet and he is blasting it, and he is 2 full yards away, and the house next to me has a triple yard, so he really has a good set of lungs on him. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. Sorry this was sort of long and rambling, and it was an unboxing video. What are you going to do? If you liked it, hit like, and if you really liked it, hit subscribe, and if you really, really liked it, hit that notification button and turn it to all notifications. Apparently that helps me and my channel out a lot. In the meantime, this is Digital Chad Tech. Talk to you next time.